Demis Hassabis learned chess at 4, watching his father play his uncle. By 13, he was a master, second in the world for his age. Prize money from a tournament bought a ZX Spectrum. He taught himself to program on it. Almost everything after that traces back to that machine. At 17, he was writing simulation code for Theme Park, a world where the fun was never scripted. It emerged from thousands of small decisions the system made on its own. Then he left games and went back to university to study the hippocampus. His 2007 research found that people who lose the ability to remember also lose the ability to imagine, one circuit reaching in both directions through time. If you want to build a mind, first study the one that already exists. In 2010, he co-founded DeepMind around a single conviction: understand intelligence, then use it to advance science. In 2016, in Seoul, AlphaGo played a move no professional would consider: Move 37. For a long moment, the room went quiet. And in 2024, he and John Jumper shared the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for predicting how proteins fold, with structures for nearly every known protein made free to researchers everywhere. 5 levels, 50 years. Every one of them was a game he refused to treat as just a game. Happy 50th, Demis.